Saturdays and Sundays, 10 to 8 for Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 6. Now we'll get back to your forecast. We'll check in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. Robert, how does our work week look?
Work week looks active for the most part. We are tracking some rain and storm chances, so maybe not the best week for the pumpkin patch. Monday definitely, but there could be some rainfall mixed in there as well, which we'll talk about here. Now, as we look through the rest of the week or the upcoming week, as I said, yeah, it's going to be a little bit on the active side. But first, pretty chilly tonight. We could see a few locations in northwest Arkansas hit the upper 40s by tomorrow morning, but Monday as a whole will be nearly perfect with lots of sunshine and very comfortable weather. But it won't last as we're tracking those rain and storm chances by the time we get to the middle part of the week. Right now it's gorgeous outside in Springdale. You can see some puffy cumulus clouds outside. Fayetteville here is the Fulbright Expressway. Things are also nice and quiet. We'll take you to Top Kavanaugh Hill in Poto. Same thing. It is, no matter where you are in our area, it is very comfortable and very pleasant outside. 78 in Rogers and Garfield, Berryville, as well as Kingston. Everybody else in the lower 80s. We'll slide you into the River Valley where temperatures 5 to 7 degrees warmer than that. Only Tallahena is checking in at 90 degrees right now. Big picture shows things are very, very quiet. All the unsettled weather well off to our east with a cold front dipping through the Florida Panhandle. All sorts of unsettled weather along the eastern seaboard and an area of low pressure kind of hanging out around the Ohio Valley, south of the Columbus, Ohio area. But for us, we're nice and quiet. We'll be that way for the next 36 hours or so, thanks to these northerly winds that continue to keep things nice and quiet for the most part. By tomorrow morning, yeah, 49 is what the model is saying in Springdale, and wouldn't be surprised if some of the other deeper valleys like Drake Field as well dips into the upper 40s. Right around 60 in the River Valley. By Monday afternoon and evening, a great night to cook out. Put the hot dogs and burgers on the grill, maybe some vegetables as well. But we will see clouds on the increase as we get into Tuesday morning ahead of our next weather maker that will spread showers and thunderstorms into our neck of the woods Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Some of those storms could be strong to severe, but right now the current thinking is the worst of the severe weather will be back to our west, mainly a wind and hail threat, but the rain could pile up this week on the order of well over an inch of rain for our area. This goes through Friday, so keep that in mind, but most of this rain will fall in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. Much needed rain. If you remember yesterday, we showed you some of those areas that are dealing with a drought. Lower 50s to around 60 for the lows tonight, and then highs tomorrow rebounding back up into the 80s. A very pleasant Monday. Maybe you can burn a vacation day or a sick day and enjoy how nice of a Monday it's going to be. But impact days Tuesday and Wednesday. First day of astronomical fall arrives next Saturday morning. We say goodbye to summer, a really warm summer for the most part. Same thing in the River Valley. A great week on the way besides that Tuesday night and into Wednesday time period. And then things aren't too bad the rest of the week. We are going to take a break, and then we're going to do a little post-mortem on the Hogs' devastating loss last night with Cameron Johnson after the break.